Hello everyone, welcome to Vortex Drift. Today, in this video, I am going to show how to fix the small screen or low resolution problem of Kali Linux in VirtualBox. So let's get started. First, check that you have the latest VirtualBox, as many times it fixes the problem. If that doesn't fix, then open the terminal. And type the following commands. Type sudo apt update, wait. Then type sudo apt upgrade, wait until it finishes updating. After updating, reboot. Sometimes it fixes the problem. If not, then type sudo apt install. VirtualBox-guest-utils VirtualBox-guest-x11. Then, sudo reboot. It should fix the problem. If it doesn't, then try going to Settings, then to Display, then select the highest resolution. If it doesn't, then close the VM. Then go to the VirtualBox settings of that instance. Go to the display, make sure that 3D acceleration is checked. Then start and check if it's fixed. Also go to VirtualBox settings of that instance, go to User Interface, go to View, and check all the unchecked options. The problem should be fixed. If not, comment, and if you want me to video on any other problem, then comment in the comment section. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.